All right, now let's do right join. Okay, now this should be easy for us because it's the same kind of logic. Okay, so now we're going to start from here and then connect over that. So right join is if you switch the two tables, okay, then it will be left join, right? So you have no, you start with sheet 2, 1 A1 100, right? Now you have a match, so you do 1 and G. Okay, and then you have another match, so 1 A1 300, so it matches with 1 and W. Okay, and then there is no more match. Okay, then you do 1 C1 no, sorry, so here I made a mistake here. So this is the first record that matches with that and that. So it should be 1 A1 100 and 1 A1 100 for the first two records. Okay. And then we have 1 C1 300, and once again this 1 is going to match with these two records. So 1 G, and then you're going to have 1 C1 300 that will match with 1 W. Okay. And then you have 2 B1 200 will match with 2 J. All right. And then no more matches for 2. And then finally we have 3 D1 and 400, and there is no match for pattern ID 3. So these two cells will be 1 null, right? Got it? So let's do that in Tableau. So now let's change that to right. So right join. Now you see pattern 3. Okay, let's sort this by pattern, and you see 3 D1 null here on the left side. The rest of them are joined like we had in here. Okay, so now the last one is outer join. Okay, outer join is that you start with every match, okay, and then and the non matches also. So from both sides, non matches will also be included. So when you don't have a match, then the field will be null on the side where there is no match. So this will be like outer join. So it will be let me close, hide it. All right, so we have 1 G 1 A1 100, 1 G 1 C1 300. So that's the match for the first one, and then we have 1 W 1 A1 100, 1 W 1 G1 100, and then we'll have 2J that has a match to B1 200, and then 4M, there is no match on the right side, so you'll have null, null, and null, right? So now there are no more records left on the left table, but on the right table you still have 3 D1 and 400. Okay. And that doesn't have a match on the left side, so that's what you will see. Okay. Now let's look at that here in Tableau. So go to full outer, then you see that the ones with matches, and then this one has no match on the right side table, and this one has no match on the left side table. So all the records are included.